Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this interesting question. The question is square root of 2 to the power 6 to the power 2 to the power 1 to the power 4 to the power 4. Whenever we have these types of questions, we try to resolve, we always start from top to bottom, right? So here first of all we are going to find 4 to the power 4. So 4 to the power 4 can be written as 4 square into 4 square, which is equals to 16, and this makes 256. And so you can write this square root as 2 to the power 6 to the power 2 to the power 1 to the power 256. Now again go from top to bottom. So we have to find out 1 to the power 256, which is equals to 1. So the change is you get 2 to the power 6 to the power 2 to the power 1. Now again go from top to bottom. 2 to the power 1 is equals to 2. So we have 2 to the power 6 to the power 2. Now 6 to the power 2 is equals to 36. So we have 2 to the power 36. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 36 whole to the power half. Now this 2 and this get cancelled, you get 18. So we have 2 to the power 18. Now this 2 to the power 18 can be written as 2 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 9. Now 2 to the power 9 is equals to 512 into 512. This 512 can be broken into 500 plus 12 into 500 plus 12. Now just multiply these two. So you get 500 and this is 500. You get here 25, 100, 100 and plus multiply these two terms. You get 6,000 and again this 500 into 12 plus 6,000 plus 144. Now just you add them up. These are 4 zeros here. You put here 144 and here 6 and 6. They makes 12 and here you get 262144. So the answer of the question 2 to the power 6 to the power 2 to the power 1 to the power 4 to the power 4 is equals to this. And I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.